Okay, okay, I'm going to show you three things today. One is just about keyframing, and when you open up DJI Studio, it defaults over here to camera view. And what camera view is, it's the way your drone is traveling, and that's what it's filming. So this is the way the drone travels, and it's showing you out of the front view, okay? And that's what it's going to show you until you drag it around and change it. One way you can notice that you're in camera view is if you look at this icon, it's a little different looking than if you changed it to free view, and notice it's a plus sign now, so it just changes it a little bit. But I like to change mine to free view, but in camera view, like I said, once you change the direction and you create a keyframe, it's going to go back after this. If there's no other keyframe over here, it's going to go back to the way that the drone was traveling. So let me show you that. So here I changed the keyframe to right here, and then when it gets past that keyframe, it's going to go back to where the drone was traveling. Okay, so let me change this to free view, and notice that this changes. I'm going to create a keyframe. I'm going to continue and create another keyframe here. We'll go right here. We'll make it pretty obvious here, okay, and create a keyframe. So now when I go and play this, and it's going to go to that first keyframe, it's going to go to the tiny planet. Once it passes that keyframe, it stays in the tiny planet. Whereas if you were on camera view, it would go back to the way the drone was facing and show you that. So that's what I wanted to show you there. The other thing is on the export function. So I'm going to click on export, and you've got what I call over here videos. I call this reframing. So it's going to basically allow you to create a video of all your keyframes, and the drone will face, the video will face the way your keyframes have been selected. And over here is your raw video, and it's panoramic, and this is where you can drag along the screen when you're viewing the video on YouTube and see what you want to see, what the audience wants to see, not what the creator created. So on here, when you export, one of the things I wanted to show you is full timeline. I don't like the full timeline, but notice there's a marked area, so I think it's coming. It just isn't active yet, and I think DJI is working on that. That's really cool. In videos, you can get up to 4K, okay, and your frame rate can be 25, 30, 48, 50, or 60. So that's what you do in your reframed. However, if you go to panoramic view, okay, you can change this to 8K if you like. And again, it's 25, 30, 48, 50, and 60. I leave mine on 60, and then of course I always drag this up to the fullest because it's going to give me a better video. Same thing when I go here, I would grab that and change this as well, because it defaults somewhere down in here. I don't know exactly where, but and then export it, and you're good to go. So hopefully that helps. Have a great day.